What's up, guys? Are you ready to uncover the mysteries of the nature and world with me today? Because for today's video, we are about to embark on a fascinating journey of patterns and numbers found around us. Ang bulaklak na ito ay isang halimbawa ng symmetry dahil meron siyang magkakamukhang parts o petals. Next type of a symmetry example is an oregano leaves. Another symmetry example is the santan flowers. Ang next na pattern naman ay ang fractals. Dito sa gilid ko ay isang halimbawa ng fractals. Ito nga ay ang malunggay leaves. Isa pang example ng fractals ay itong ipin-ipin leaves. Fern is also an example of fractals. This tamarind leaves is also an example of fractals. Ang isa pang halimbawa ng pattern ay ang dendritic. Sa likod ko at sa taas ko ay isang halimbawa ng dendritic at ito nga ay ang tree growth na parang electric discharge. This onion is example of a spiral. The banana tree is also an example of a spiral. This is also an example of a spiral. Another example of a spiral is the leaves of the banana. Another example of patterns is the stripes. And here is an example of stripes, the banana leaves. Another example of stripes is the bamboo leaves. This pandan leaves is also an example of stripes. Another example of patterns is the spot, and this leaf is an example of spots. This money tree is also an example of spots. Next type ng pattern ay ang cracks. Narito sa baba ay isang halimbawa ng cracks. Ito nga ay ang lag ng isang puno. Kung makikita ay meron itong mga iba't ibang cracks sa gilid niya. This mango tree is also an example of cracks. Dry land is an example of cracks. So ayun guys, tapos na ang ating vlog tungkol sa patterns and numbers in nature and the world. And I hope marami kayong natutunan. Kung kaya naman, please subscribe to my channel para sa mga susunod pang vlog. Ciao!